Prosecutors are close to resting their case in the corruption trial of former Alderman Ed Burke, and our political reporter Chris Tye has been covering this since the start.
He is live at the Dirksen Federal Building. And Chris, walk us through what happened late this morning in the lobby there at Dirksen that might signal where the case is headed.
So the big signal today, Joe and Erica, was just before the lunch break today. The man who is considered the most prolific FBI mole in modern Chicago political history, Danny Solis, was back here in public view for the first time in years. He is expected to testify on behalf of the defense. Now, he is, of course, the person who flipped on Ed Burke, recording hundreds and thousands of conversations, really serving as the backbone of this case. Burke's team wants to call him to the stand. The Fed's trying to put some pretty tight restrictions on what kind of questions they can ask him. The judge saying, essentially, you can't call Danny Solis to the stand only to smear him. The defense team says, we will not do that. But at this point, he still has not taken the stand. He's been here for about 5-6 hours today, and he did not take the stand. They just wrapped up on the 25th floor. They'll be back again tomorrow. That is expected when he will testify.
So what did jurors hear today then, Chris?
So they just wrapped up, Joe, and the kind of the finale for the prosecution is the Ethics Commission and really the ethics rules that govern politicians in Chicago, how you cannot make money based on decisions that you make while working for the public interest. That really is kind of what they zeroed in on. In addition to that, we heard a lot today about that Binny's Pole sign up in Portage Park as the prosecution is kind of bringing their case in for a landing.
Chris, what is the likely timeline between now and when the jury gets this case to begin their deliberations?
So the key question there, Eric, is how long are they going to go? How long might this Danny Solis testimony cross-examination go for? Figuring that's going to be about a day. Then you're going to have about a day of closing arguments for both sides, and then about a half day of jury instructions. So we're talking towards the end of this week, but today got slow towards the end, so this could be a little lagging, but expect the jury to have the case by next Monday. That's probably a safe bet here.
All right, Chris Tye live on all the developments for the Ed Burke trial. Thank you.